Hi everybody, welcome to this edition of Top 5 Tuesday for April 8th, 2025. And in this episode, I have a few new products to introduce, plus I have a couple of restocks that I know you guys are going to be interested in. So to kick things off, the first new product that we have right here is from Willie's Carbs and Dyno. So Willie has this, it's called a racer pump. And with this racer pump, this is a heavy duty, hardcore pump that's really going to give you the fuel pressure you need, especially if you're running like a bypass regulator system. If you've got Super Bowls on your carburetor, when you need that extra fuel pressure, then the Willie's racer pump is going to be your way to go. So this one here, we've got this in the store now, and we're very excited to add this. I know it's been an award-winning product, so yeah, I'll put this back together here in a second. So that's our first new product of the week. Next up, we have an addition to the products we already have. So we have Jones fan spacers. Now, to let you know, these also work with our race fans. So whether it's the Jones center sections of the race fans, or if it's the original race fan, these Jones fan spacers work beautifully with them. And we've previously we have a half an inch, we have a 1 inch, we have an 1.5 inches and a 2 inch, but we've now also added a 2.5 inch fan spacer. So if that's something that if you really need to push your fan a little bit farther away from your engine, we got you covered here with the Jones fan spacer, the 2.5 inch. Next up, now this one's very exciting, and you can actually check the video we released yesterday about this brand new product. I've known about this for a few months now, and I have been waiting for this, and I'm so excited that we now have the Longacre shock inflation tool. So what's great about this, first of all, I love this case. I mean, gosh, really handy. But in here, it'll protect this gauge. Couple of things to really know about it is that, you know, when we're looking at shocks, of course, they're so important today with winning races. And that, remember, I mean, here at Crate Insider, we're here to help you win. And with this tool right here, when you're trying to make sure that your gas pressures are exact in your shocks, it's really hard to get there. You know, when you've just got your traditional like bleeding tools, a lot of times it'll just dump all the air out and you're trying to put it back, and it's just really tough. But here, this can be used as long as you have a Schrader valve on your shock, and then this button here, if you kind of push it halfway in, it'll slowly release, but like about 10 pounds at a time, and you'll see this gauge adjust accordingly. But if somebody's new and they just like really push the button in, they think they're gonna, you know, really push out a bunch of air, what's gonna happen is when you push it all the way in, it's only gonna give you about 0.5 pound at a time. So when we're talking about that level of precision, you know, this is a great way to go. And of course, being a digital gauge, gosh, we love our digital gauges from Longacre, because then there's no question. It's not like it's a question if it's 105 pounds or if it's 95 pounds. If it's 100 pounds, it's 100 pounds, or whatever the case may be. So really great product here. I think we'll be selling a bunch of these, so you probably want to get it before these get gone. Really excited about the shock inflation tool. And now for a couple of items that we have back in stock that I've been waiting on. Right here is our Hubco edge roller. So if you've got a little bit of body work to do, then this edge roller really comes in handy, and it works great with the other Hubco tools like the Hemmer, and also the mini body roller is one of my favorites, and we've been selling quite a few of those as well. So if you get a little bit banged up here in the beginning of the season, that mini body roller is a great way to go. But also if you're just building out, then this edge roller will help you get nice smooth edges as you're building out the body on your car. And also, we have transponders back in stock. Oh my gosh, these have been difficult to get for a little while. So I have the transponders, I have all the different pieces, but also we have the complete kit. So you can have the transponder, the pouch, and the charger, but I do sell all these items separately as well. So the receiver transponders and all the kits that go with it. You know, plus we do have receivers. We've got a lot of those items. And I also wanted, like last week I announced something, and in case you missed it, if you are on our our email list, you're going to start getting some insider deals and some insider information that's not going to be available just to everybody. So make sure you get on the list. You can go on over to CrateInsider.com, and you can actually just scroll to the bottom. You can join our list there, or wherever you're watching this video, hit the link and we'll get you right over there, get you signed up. And, hey, download our recommendations. We've got lots of great information, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching. We're here to help you win, and I'll see you in another video.